Awesomeness Fest is not a conference. It is not a seminar. It is an experience. It truly is. It's almost like it's a lifestyle.
Very few places give you that unique blend of opportunity and possibility.
All coming together for one big mission, and that's just trying to change the world.
Higher consciousness speakers that are just really, really inspiring. You take a bunch of notes. You go out for these dinners and go on. We went on a catamaran boat canoe thing.
It's been an incredible experience to combine business, networking, great information, all with people that are playing on a really high level. I think it's fantastic.
You'll get something different than what you're probably expecting, but it's something that you need.
We're already booked to go next year. I don't know where it is. I don't know what day it is, but we're coming.
How many people here actually think that from someone you met here, you may actually end up doing business or in some way bringing more wealth into your life? So almost every hand is up.
I can say that every single person here that I've communicated with is now like a family to me, and it's just a global tribe.
Awesomeness Fest is fantastic, and I miss it already.